Matt, if you don't turn
Alright,
this
it's
person
great
off,
recording.
I'm kicking you out of the call.
Hold on, I will. Hold on.
Matt, turn the music off!
I will.
Is that
Choke
cheese?
you in your goddamn sleep.
Is that cheese?
Totally not.
Why is it?
What?
It's recording.
The dog wants it. Abigail, give the goddamn dog some cheese.
I broke my cheese.
Oh
No!
I broke my cheese.
Abigail broke cheese.
Here's what I'm gonna do.
Abigail, dip the cheese in the Pepsi.
Hang on. That's gonna be the sauce. Got it.
Abigail, rip
What?
up the cheese into little bits and then put it in the drink with some Pepsi.
No. I'm making a sandwich. I don't know what y'all are on, but I'm making a fucking sandwich.
No, you're supposed to be making something else.
Oh god. Oh no.
Oh my god! Abigail!
Recording this shit? Is somebody screen recording this?
Yes, I am. I am.
Abigail! What the heck? Is that literally gonna be the sandwich? Cheese, mustard, that, and then mayonnaise? With no bread?
I think
Just
Abigail's
no
gonna be
bread?
after
With no
like,
bread? With no
I
bread?
think Abigail's just gonna be high after like she has this.
She already... Oh my god, the cheese is the bread, isn't it?
Here, I want.
Oh god. No.
There you go. You better eat that.
Oh Jesus.
Time to cut it.
Oh god.
What?
Oh god. Oh no. What the fuck?
Oh my god!
Mmm.
Why couldn't you just throw the scissors?
Mmm.
Ew, that looks disgusting.
That's the point. It's literally, it's like eating mustard.
There's mustard on the
Man, oh my god.
There's mustard on the counter.
Yeah.
You got all of it
Ah!
down there.
I got mustard on my hands. I fucking hate mustard.
I hate mustard too, it sucks.
Abigail, eat it.
I'm putting it in a cup.
eat the
See?
mustard.
I'll put Pepsi on it. There's mustard everywhere! Oh god!
Alright, so we have this. Yummy.
Abigail, add some extra mustard.
That's some extra mustard. Nah, it has like mustard bits. Look.
Ew.
Add more! Add more!
I mean,
No,
yummy. That
I
looks
got
so
more mustard,
yummy,
though.
man.
Yeah!
More mustard right now.
I can't wait till my dad walks in and sees it.
Just give it to your dad.
It's fizzing. I'm making pasta noodles.
Oh my god! Oh my god, that looks so
Hot
disgusting.
pasta.
Abigail, get a spoon and mix it.
Oh god.
Mix it. I don't
Abigail,
Or-
In the
Oh yeah,
grab...
I got my whisk.
Oh my
Hi,
god.
in the corridor.
Not the whisk! Not the whisk! My god.
Do you have any whipped cream? If you have whipped cream, add whipped cream in it.
I don't have whipped cream. I have mayonnaise.
Ow!
That.
Right now.
Add ice in it. Add ice in it.
God. The scissors!
Add ice in it.
The scissors!
One of your family members now.
Oh my god.
So fucking bad. I mean good. It smells really good.
I'm happy I didn't ask to come over.
Pay my fucking bills for me.
I'm happy I didn't come over. I'm happy I didn't ask to come over because this right now.
Abigail, what in the shit are you making?
It looks
Something.
like diarrhea, bro.
Let me see.
Fucking lice in it.
Oh my god.
Shit stew.
It has lice in it.
It's shit stew.
Ew! I mean, that looks delicious.
That looks like barf.
Put ice in it! Put ice in it!
No, wait, that looks like relish. That looks like relish.
Put ice in it!
Looks like
Oh my
shit.
god, Abigail, what are you
Like
doing?
shit. It looks like shit.
Oh no, she's getting more stuff.
Put ice in it!
My penis in the car door. My penis in the car door.
Sweet relish, bitch.
Oh god, no. No.
Oh my god.
How's the open pickle jar?
No.
What? I can't get it.
No.
I got it,
No.
bitch.
No.
Oh my god.
No.
Wait, give us the
No.
Abigail, make the cup into the screen. Make the cup look into the screen. We can't see it.
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh,
Can
thanks.
somebody... Oh.
It's going to overflow.
Take it straight, government.
Can we go get a 5-year-old and harass them after this?
Abigail, take one sip of it. Take one sip
Oh,
of
to
it.
the fuck, no, that's mustard in it.
One tiny sip.
It has literally everything I fucking
Drink
do.
it.
You know how
No,
good.
just a tiny, Abigail, a tiny little bit. Tiny little bit.
Drink it,
Oh,
drink
fuck off.
it, drink 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 it.
Drink it.
Put ice in it! Put ice in it!
Put ice in it.
Put ice in it, 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 put ice in it. Put ice in it, put
Making
ice
up
in it.
best.
Put ice in it.
Put ice in it, put ice in it, put ice in it, put ice in it, put ice in it. Put ice in it!
Put ice in it.
Put ice in it! Put ice in it, put ice in it. Put ice in it.
Abigail!
Put ice in it! Put ice in it! Put ice in it!
Abigail, show us what the counter looks
You're
like.
glitching my computer.
Show us what the counter looks like.
Is
Stop fucking screaming.
literally being highlighted by mustard and peanut butter juice.
Ooh, what is
I didn't even add peanut butter. I fucking made peanut butter.
Put peanut butter.
Disgusting.
Put peanut butter!
Put peanut butter in the drink
Abigail.
right now.
Put peanut butter, ice, and put
We
peanut
made
butter.
a mess.
And bologna. Put more bologna in there.
Everything's better homemade. Everything's so much better when it's homemade.
Man, just imagine requesting someone from a restaurant to make that.
I can't wait to go to a restaurant and say, hey, surprise me with one of your best dishes. They bring out this shit.
Or where you get shit food. Welcome to gravies and shit. What would you like today? Oh, you
Guys,
like the
don't
garlic,
look at my blood,
garlic
please.
mustard special? Oh yeah, we'll get you that.
I'm sorry. Can I get through?
You would like the Piss King special? Sure.
Can I get through, please? Okay, I'm sorry. You're on the
That's
ground.
what I'm calling it. That's what I'm calling it. The Piss King special.
Sorry, I need to get my garlic.
Abigail, add some ice.
Add some ice! Ice!
Add ice!
Add ice!
Ice!
Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice! Ice!
Abigail,
Shut up,
Abigail, grab one of your dog's shits and put it in there. Grab one of your dog's shits and put it in there.
What is she doing?
Oh my god.
Imagine, like Luke already ate cat shit, so.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
did.
this is idiot.
Luke already ate cat shit, so.
He tried to eat a thumbtack,
Yeah,
and me and Kai told him the consequences of it, but he didn't listen.
Yeah,
Can I start screen recording
Matt
now?
blocked him for the 3 days. Matt blocked him for 3 days.
Can I stop screen recording now?
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
fun.
Alright.